Little waves of euphoria, well inside like Gloria. Magic myths of history, wrapped inside her mystery. Little girl named Victoria, sets a jaw like a warrior, writes melodies in the sand, love songs for a foreign man. The twisted smile, the deadly sin, the wicked fairy tale begins. Little waves of euphoria, well inside like Gloria, from the depths of an endless sea, in the smile of a fantasy.